Now that we've configured our department access, it's time to give people a way to contact us into our Rhino support account through our website. And we have two options to do that. The first one, and we'll focus on right now, is by using a shortcode when you create a page. Now it's important to note that we need to configure what will happen after they submit that ticket to us. So there's two ways that we can do this, and that is simply by displaying a message here after they submit the ticket. Let's focus on that one right now. So you see that we have some default information here. I'm just going to modify this a little bit. I'm going to come here and I'll put that on another line, and let me add another sentence here. Okay, one more thing. Let me make this a little bit bigger. You do that by just making it bold, and you can modify it just like you would a normal text setting within WordPress. Let's scroll down here and we'll click Save Settings. Now it's time to add a new page. Let's click over here on Pages and we'll click Add New. Now this page title, I'll just call this Contact Us. Now remember, I need to insert the shortcode here. So if I want to do that, I can just click on this right here and we'll use the shortcode that says Rhino Support Create. And that's pretty much it, because this shortcode is basically going to create a form so that people can submit a ticket to us. Now I'll need to click here and I'll say Publish. Now I'm in another browser window and you'll see that I've just added this page and it's called Contact Us. So let's take a look at that page. You can see now that we have a form where people can submit a ticket to us. They'll just simply type in their email address. If they want to add a CC or even a BCC, they can do that by clicking on these links. Then they'll type in their name. Now they'll need to select the department that they want to submit this ticket to. Now keep in mind, we have it configured so that they only have access to these two departments because they're not logged in. And I'll click a subject. Now we'll just type in a message that they want to submit in the ticket. Once the message is here, they can just click on Submit Ticket. Once it goes through, you'll see that we have created a display message in our settings, and that's what shows up here. And keep in mind, this was on the same page that they submitted a ticket. This time I want to change the options so that it doesn't display a custom message. I want it to actually go to a different page altogether. So in order to do that, I want to use a specific thank you page. Now we can come here and we can click on Edit to decide which page we want it to go to. Now we can always choose a specific URL, and if it's a different page altogether, or we can choose the pages that we have on our site. Now I haven't created any thank you pages, so I need to do that real quick. I'll just create a new page and we'll call it Thank You. Enter the information here, then I'll click Publish. Now I'll go back and I'll change this to a specific thank you page. This time we have our page that I just created called Thank You. Click on Save. Now when somebody creates a ticket, they just need to fill out the information, and whenever they click the Submit Ticket button, it'll go to a completely different page rather than showing the display message. Let's look at that now. You'll see here that it went to a completely different page, and we can put anything that we want to on that page. We can also format this page any way that we want to using our standard WordPress formatting methods.